This is the second time that we've been leading an actual class in which we're bringing in students from Parsons to work with cork, experiment with it, and really explore some of the unseen potentials and the new potentials in design and construction. So this year we have 12 students. These students are all bringing their own knowledge and their wisdom from their own disciplines and exploring cork. For most of them, this is their first time being in an actual factory. So they see production from the standpoint of one of the healthiest materials on the planet. And for us, that's very important because we need to see the health of materials first, and then the products and the buildings that we design second. I've been working almost exclusively with cork from Amorim over 2 decades now. One of the things that I love about cork is the way that it has technical capabilities that no other material can match. But at the same time, it's a natural material that comes from the tree, but you don't have to cut down the tree. You take care of the tree and you're caring for the forest and all of the benefits that come from the forest. It's really the best material that I can think of for use in the constructed world.
I'm really excited learning about cork as a material that can be used in architecture, can be used as like an alternative to really toxic materials in insulation. But something that I'm really excited by is the fact that it can be exposed. You can really feel and understand these materials that are going into our environment with your eyes and your senses.
I do a lot of glass blowing, and I've been exploring the connection between glass and cork because its quality is that it withstands high heat, and I've been incorporating it into my glass blowing technique as a mold that also becomes a part of the final product because it doesn't burn. It just reacts to the glass. It looks different and it feels different, smells different, but it still holds the shape and it just looks beautiful and I love it.